Hello, do you know that the word factorization was gotten from the word factor? In this tutorial, you'll be learning how to factorize a quadratic equation. So let's go. So let's start with the solution. Now, we should solve this using the factorization method. We already have the equation to be x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. So in this situation, what you would do is that you look for two numbers. Now, those two numbers should be able to, when you multiply those two numbers, it should give you this value of 12. And when you add or subtract it, it should give you minus 7. So 2 and 6, if you multiply it, it will give us 12. But if you subtract, it will not give us what? Minus 7. If you use plus 3 and plus 4, it will give us 12 when you multiply it, but it cannot give us minus 7. You get it? So, but when we use minus 3 and minus 4, if you multiply minus 3 and minus 4, so we are using minus 3 and minus 4, because when you multiply it, it will give us 12, and when you add the both of them, it will give us what? Minus 7. So since we are going to use this, we will replace minus 7 by minus 3 and minus 4. So we have x squared minus 3x minus 4x plus 12 equals what? 0. So when we have this now, we have to group them. So we have x squared minus 3x minus bracket 4x minus 12 equals to 0. Why are we using minus 12 here? If you open up this bracket, this becomes minus 4 and this becomes what? Plus 12. So since we've gotten this, we want to look for, want to factor out. Looking at x squared and 3x, what is common between them is x. So you bring out your x here, and then you have x minus 3. When you open up this bracket, it will still give you this minus, what is the common factor here? We have 4 into bracket x minus 3 equal to 0. See that x minus 3 is here, x minus 3 is here. They are common, so we'll pick one of it and then pick x minus 4. So we have x minus 4, x minus 4 bracket x minus 3 will give us what? 0. So let's equate each of them to 0. So we have x minus 4 equals to 0, or x minus 3 equals to 0. This means that the value of our x here is x equals to 4, or x equals to 3. I believe you've been able to learn something from this tutorial. Do share our content with others and let them also learn like you. Thank you, and see you some other time.